I hope you are all doing well. In this video, I'm going to explain how we can define vector of different type in our studio. To begin, I open the File menu, choose New File, and select our script. In our console below, you may see some information which you can clear by pressing Ctrl L. Okay, to start, I will define a vector using a letter A and a colon operator. I type 1 to 8 and then I run this line using Control Enter. You will see in environment pane that a new variable appear. I'll identify it as int, which stands for integer. The brackets indicate that the vector A consists of 8 elements. Okay. If I type A in the script and run it, the console print the value of A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, all of which are integer. So we have created an integer vector. Next, I will define another vector called B, again using the assignment operator. This time I divide the value of A by 10. After running the command, if I type B and run it, the console displays 0.1, 0.2, and so on up to 0.8. Each element of A has been divided by 10 and the result are stored in B. This gives us a numeric vector. Now let's create a character vector. I define vector C and assign it the output of the function letters indexed by A. When I type letters, our studio show two options in a drop-down, one for lowercase letter and one for uppercase letter. I select the lowercase version and place A inside the brackets. After running this line, you will see that C appear in workspace as a character vector with 8 elements. If I type C and run it, the console print A, B, C, and so on up to H, corresponding to the values 1 through 8 in vector A. This gives us a character vector. Next, I will define vector D, which will be a logical vector. I write the expression A greater than 4. This condition evaluates each element of A. If a value is greater than 4, I'll return true. Otherwise, it returns false. When I run the command, the workspace shows that the logical vector has been created. If I type D and run it, the console displays 4 false value followed by 4 true values. Okay. As you can see, using these simple commands, we create 4 vector, an integer vector, a numeric vector, a character vector, and logical vector. Remember that all elements in a vector must be of the same type. You cannot mix different data types, such as combining logical, character, and integer value in a single vector. Such mixed structure require different kind of object in R, which we will cover in a future video. Thank you for watching.